Hi, I'm Finn from Finnovation. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cool, spooky Halloween door design. This is our door right now. It's pretty plain. So the obvious question is,
how are you going to make this door better? But you need to do it cheap.
these are my materials. I saw at a Halloween store they had an electricity box that had some jump wires coming out. It was silver and it had like some high voltage stuff on it. I want to do the same thing but on a low budget. I was thinking, because I have a skeleton theme this year, I could use my mini skeleton and I could hook him up to it so it would be like he was getting electrocuted. So I'm going to do that. So I got my can of spray paint and I shook it up already. So I'm going to pop off the lid, and all you've got to really do is spray paint it. I decided to use silver. You're probably going to need to do a few coats so that you can't see like that symbol or whatever symbol could be on your box. But then I'll show you after I've spray painted it and put on all of the little details. So I added in the yellow pieces of paper and wrote high voltage and cut out the energy symbol. I found this little circuit board that I thought was pretty cool. I found it from a broken radio, so I decided to poke some holes in it and attach the wires so it looked like it's actually attached and running. Then would my lovely assistant please open the box?
Sure, Finn.
So what we did was we had to cut the wires in half, and so that we could stick them in there, poke 2 holes in the side, stick the wires through, and then my dad found these pieces of metal, and not really sure what they are, but you may or may not need these. I'm sure there's a real name for them, I just can't think of it. So that's the box. So
Listen to that knock. Speaking of knocks, Finn, that reminds me of a joke. Knock, knock.
who's there?
Boo.
Boo-hoo.
Don't cry, Finn. It's just a Halloween joke.
Oh, I don't get it. Were you supposed to be crying or something?
Maybe.
Bam, it's finished. Now all I've got to do is attach it to my skeleton. Mwahahaha. I got him attached. This looks pretty great. I'm going to take him out to the front door. So this is the finished product. I made this I found the skeleton for about $15 at Walmart. These jumper cables I got at an estate sale for like literally 50 cents. And the rest I found in my garage and did at home. So in total about $16 you can have one of these, super easy, super cheap. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.